Welcome back to Car Garage. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Cadillac XLR GSLR car that blends luxury, performance, and modern design into a sleek convertible package. Cadillac has truly redefined elegance with this masterpiece. The 2025 XLR is a proud product of General Motors, manufactured in Cadillac's Detroit assembly plant, where precision engineering meets cutting-edge technology with a legacy rooted in American craftsmanship. Cadillac ensures every detail of this luxury convertible exudes sophistication. Inside, the XLR offers an unparalleled driving experience. Owners are treated to a mix of ultra-luxurious materials, advanced infotainment, and driver assistance technologies. It's a car designed not just to drive, but to immerse you in comfort And let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the XLR features a powerful V8 engine paired with a refined 10-speed automatic transmission. Owners can expect thrilling acceleration, precise handling, and a ride that's smooth yet dynamic. Everything you'd expect from a Cadillac. This vehicle isn't just a car, it's a statement. Owners of the 2025 Cadillac XLR stepping into a world of prestige and innovation. It's designed for those who demand the best in both style and performance. The 2025 Cadillac XLR is more than just a convertible. It's a symbol of Cadillac's commitment to luxury and excellence. What do you think about this stunning ride? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Car Garage. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on the most exciting cars of 2025. See you next time.